everyone, today I want to share this book with you. I found this through Her Billowing Heart. Again, thank you. If you don't know her, go check out her channel. It's beautiful. I've seen some of you already there in the comments, and you're also, like I am, really enjoying her beautiful videos. So I think you won't be surprised that I found this book through her recommendation, and I actually bought this for inspiration. So I'll stop talking. This is called The Flower Year, a coloring book by Leila Duly, I want to say. Hopefully I got her name right. And let's just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful, this is a hardcover. It has this gorgeous kind of blush pink, looks, you know, kind of vintagey and vintagey, is that a word? But it looks like an older book that you would find in the Bennett's cottage in Pride and Prejudice, which is my favorite book, by the way. And anyway, I don't do coloring books. I don't, you know, color in books. But I just thought this was really beautiful, so I got it just for inspiration for sketching flowers. This was published in 2017 and this is reprinted in 2020. And yeah, the pages have a cream color to them, so it's not white, and they're just beautiful. So it goes through the months of the year, starting with January. I think this year is so weird. This is filmed in 2020 during COVID-19 madness. This year is just so weird. I don't know. Somehow I'm like, I don't know which month it is. It's kind of weird that it's almost October. So you can see there are these beautiful illustrations, but look at this. It's just so lovely, and I think this type of book is actually great for inspiration. You know, I have quite a few sketching book or how to sketch flowers books type of things, and sometimes it's kind of hard to find inspiration because every page has like one specific flower, or you know, just leaves or something like this. And I think here you can just open a page and pick up, you know, maybe a leaf shape that you like, a floral shape that you like, and just I mean, this is just so pretty. Look at that. And yeah, it's just, there's a variety of pages. You can see some have more white space and then others are busier. July, I won't show you the whole thing, but I think you can get the idea. It's all very similar in style, just different elements. I will do a gift guide this year, probably sometime in November, to give us all time to prepare. But I can already tell you that this book will be in that video, and if you're one of those people that likes to be prepared ahead of time, then you know, just grab a couple of these for your coloring friends or your artistically inclined friends, and you know, it's just beautiful. I would have loved to receive this as a present. So yeah, as I said, it's a coloring book. It's not a tutorial. I think she has more books. I just saw this and fell in love with it, and I thought I would just start with this. Oh, and there's also an index. Oh, that's great. So there you can see how this index looks like. I don't know. I'm not botanically inclined. I have no idea how. I know rose, I know, you know, magnolias, I know kind of the basics, but yeah, no idea about the more complicated flowers. And yeah, I have a couple more books that are kind of in the realm of flower sketching, and I'm excited to share them with you. They're more on the kind of vintagey side, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm kind of searching for that magical balance of sketch, illustration, vintage, modern. So it's been fun to you know, just see what is out there. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I can't tell you how it is to actually color on these pages because, as I said, that's not what I bought this for. The paper feels, it has a little bit of tooth to it. It feels kind of smooth, but you can see, I think, the grains of the paper. It has a nice weight to it. So if you want to see how this works for actual coloring, then maybe search for another review. But if you just like looking at pretty illustrations, look at that. That is so pretty. Ah, gorgeous. Then yeah, I think this is a really, really beautiful inspiration book. Just something that is really pretty to have on your shelf or next to your desk. Very inspiring and extremely aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!